Today we're covering concrete versus asphalt driveway, pros, cons, and real costs. Here's what you need to know. Quick answer. Concrete costs 8 to 18 per square foot and lasts 30 to 40 years with minimal maintenance. Asphalt costs 3 to 7 per square foot but needs replacement every 15 to 20 years and resealing every 2 years. Over 30 years, concrete's total cost of ownership is typically lower despite higher upfront cost. Choosing between a concrete and asphalt driveway is one of the biggest decisions homeowners face when planning a new driveway or replacing an old one. The choice affects not just your immediate budget but your maintenance schedule and home value for decades to come. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post breaks down the real pros, cons, and costs of each service so you can make an informed decision for your home. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company has completed hundreds of driveway projects ranging from 400 to 2,000 square feet, using reinforced concrete slabs with proper subgrade preparation, control joints, and broom or stamped finishes. Unlike contractors requiring deposits, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front. A typical concrete driveway in the Charlotte or Raleigh metro costs $8,000 to $18,000 installed, with a 30 to 40-year lifespan and minimal maintenance beyond occasional sealing. This post breaks down concrete versus asphalt side by side, with real costs, durability comparisons, and decision factors specific to North Carolina's climate and soil conditions. Moving on to concrete versus asphalt at a glance. Concrete and asphalt are the two most common residential driveway surfaces. They serve the same function, a stable, durable surface for vehicle traffic, but they differ fundamentally in material composition, installation method, lifespan, and maintenance demands. Concrete is a composite material made from Portland cement, aggregate, sand and gravel, water, and often reinforcement like rebar or wire mesh. When properly mixed and installed, it hardens into a rigid, load-bearing slab capable of supporting vehicles for 30 to 40 years or longer. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.